In this video, we'll learn how to upload documents or medical reports in PinkyBill. Click on the Patients tab from the main menu. Use the search bar to find the patient by name. Click to open the patient's profile. Navigate to the Files tab. Under the Patient Documents section, click the Upload button. Drag and drop or select the file to upload. Choose the folder where the file should be saved. Write a description, optional but recommended. Fill the date of service if applicable. Click the Upload button. The document will be uploaded successfully and saved under the selected patient folder.
PinkyBill.